students. Now we are going to check the solutions of today's maths paper. The first question was by using the appropriate property solve 1 by 3 into 2 by 5 minus 1 by 6 into 2 by 5 plus 1 by 5. This was a question. So first what we have to do, the question is by using the appropriate property. So we have learned already so many properties. So first of all, let us check the terms here. The first term here, second term and third. Term means the plus or minus symbol. The things which is separated by plus or minus symbol. So we can say here there are three terms. So next we have to check in these three terms is there any number repeating. Yes, here we can say in first and second terms the number 2 by 5 is repeating. So we can write it as it's equal to 2 by 5, put bracket, then what is left in that first term? 1 by 3. So 1 by 3 minus what is left in second term? 1 by 6. So we can close bracket plus 1 by 5. So next we have to do within bracket 2 by 5 into, okay, here we have to find out the LCM. It's not a like fraction, so it's better multiply with the 2 down. The same way we can multiply with the 2 up. So we'll get 2 minus 1 downside 6 plus 1 by 5. Now we can write it as 2 by 5 into 2 minus 1, that is 1 by 6 plus 1 by 5. So now we know we can cut this 2 and 2 with 6, we'll get here 3. So what is left? It's equal to 1 by 5 into 1 by 3 plus 1 by 5. So here if we need, we can apply the distributive property again. Otherwise we can write it as 1 by 15 plus 1 by 5. We can multiply first by applying the board mass. Now what will come? So of course here we can multiply with it's not a like fraction, so we need to make it as like. So how we can multiply here with 3, so upside also 3. So we'll get it as 1 by 15 plus here 3 by 15. 1 into 3, 3, 5 into 3, 15. Now it's a like fraction. We can write it answer as 15 as common, then 4 by 15. So its answer is 4 by 15. Now what about the next question? The second question was verify minus of minus x equal to x in the case of x equal to 17. It was the question. Well, how to do is, let us check. So first we can write it as let x equal to 17. Now we can write the additive inverse of 17 equal to, we know, minus 17. Why it is? Because we know additive inverse of 17 is minus 17. The reason is since we can write since 17 plus minus 17 we are getting as the additive identity 0. That's the reason why we are saying minus 17 is the additive inverse of 17, and also we can say vice versa. That means if minus 17 is the additive inverse of 17, we can say the 17 is the additive inverse of minus 17. So we can write therefore the additive inverse of minus 17 equal to, we can say that is equal to 17. Now we know another name of additive inverse is negative of, So we can write, instead of this statement, we can write it as additive inverse, negative of, instead of we can write bracket of minus 17 equal to 17. So let us check what is the value of 17. So what is x? X equal to minus of, we can write it as minus, so instead of 17 we can write x equal to 17 value is x only, so we can write, so hence verify, minus of minus x equal to x, we verified. Then what about the next third question? The third question was show on number line. Show on number line. What? Minus 5 by 6. It's very easy question. All of you have done, I think. Then also we can just go through its answer first. Draw the number line first. Then check the denominator 6. So we can mark here as 0 and here as 1. Minus 1. Because it's this is minus, the left side minus 1. Now we have to divide this unit place 6 equal parts because the denominator is 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now here we can write it as 0 by 6. Of course 0 by 6 means 0 itself. Then we can write minus 1 by 6. Then we can write minus 2 by 6. Then we can write minus 3 by 6. Then we can write minus 4 by 6. Here we can write it as minus 5 by 6. Then here it is minus 6 by 6. Of course minus 6 by 6, that value is 1. So we need to mark here minus 5 by 6. That is, this point is minus 5 by 6. Now the last question is, what is the last question? The fourth and final question is, write any 5 rational numbers between minus 5 by 6 and minus 7 by 9. Any 5 rational numbers between minus 5 by 6, minus 5 by 6 and minus 7 by 9. Minus 7 by 9. So here we know it's not like fraction. First what we have to do, we have to make it as likes. How? We have to find out the LCM. So what is the LCM of 6 and 9? So we know that is 18, right? So we can make the denominator as 18. How? We can write it as minus 5 by 6 as minus 5 by 6. We have to multiply with 3 downside to make the denominator as 18. So upside also we have to multiply with 3. So what will get? Minus 15 by 18. Then what about the second number? Minus 7 by 9. So minus 7 by 9 we have to multiply with the 2 downside to make the denominator as 18. So therefore we upside also we have to multiply with the 2. So what will get? Minus 14 by 18. Now check. We have to write any 5 rational numbers between these twos. So it is better this number we can multiply with any number upside and downside. So let us here we can multiply with 10 or downside also 10. So what will get? We'll get minus 150 by 180 and here minus 140 divided by 180. So it is easy to write any 5 rational numbers between these twos. What are the? Minus 141 divided by 180, then minus 142 divided by 180, minus 143 divided by 180, and so on. So hope you understood. Thank you.